DirectFix.com presents the symbol SPT1550 Take Apart and Repair Directions. Warning, this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You're using these video directions and its content at your own risk. AX Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or condition of any kind, express or implied. Following these directions on this video will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. Be sure to visit us on the web at DirectFix.com for all your parts and accessory needs. At checkout, use coupon code YouTube for 5% off your first order. You're now going to turn the unit over and remove the battery door and the stylus. Remove the 4 Phillips screws in each of the corner with a small Phillips screwdriver. Using a case opener tool from DirectFix.com, run it along the edge of the 2 halves of the case. There are 3 tabs on each side that need to be popped in order for the case to be taken apart. You're now going to remove the motherboard and screen and scanner assembly out from the front plastics. Turning the motherboard screen assembly back over will now allow you to take out the ribbon cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. There are 2 tabs on each side that need to be pulled slightly out in order to free the ribbon cable. With the tabs pulled out, you're now able to remove the ribbon cable from the connector. Turning the unit back over will allow the screen to come out free. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws holding the scanner in place in the housing. With the 2 screws now removed, turn the motherboard back over and you'll be able to remove the ribbon cable. There are 2 tabs on each side of the connector that need to come out slightly in order to free the ribbon cable and allow you to remove the scanner from the scanner housing. To reassemble the unit, start by connecting the scanner back to the ribbon cable and inputting it into the housing for the scanner assembly. You're now going to reinstall the screen back into the motherboard assembly. Make sure the ribbon cable goes through the hole, then reattaches to the connector assembly. Make sure the 2 tabs are out in order for the ribbon to go in, then tighten the tabs again. You're now going to take the motherboard assembly and screen and reinstall it back into the front plastic housing. Now take the back cover, lining up the 3 tabs, insert the 3 tabs into the front housing. Then when you bring it over, make sure the other 3 tabs on the other side line up and it all clips together. Reinstall the 4 Phillips screws in each of the corners. After installing the last screw, you're now going to reconnect the battery cover and reinstall the stylus to complete the reassembly directions. Please be sure to click the link on the right side of the screen to take you to our website, DirectFix.com, for all your parts and accessory needs.